So hi guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. And I wanna thank everyone for tuning into my YouTube and watching my video for the last time. And yeah, I believe it was the band, right? So I was like doing the stretching. And today, of course, we have a different layout of, I mean, um, layout of style of video. So if I was doing the portrait before, let's try to do the landscape now since you know YouTube is designed that way. So let's do the landscape, right? So let's try that. Okay. So of course for to my fans, to my YouTube supporters. Team Sweno, thank you so much. To Team Dragon, Head Jamin, thank you so much. We've been together for 7 years, going 8 years na ba? Yeah, I believe so. Yeah, if hindi ako magkakamali, or 6 years? No, but it's more than 5 years for sure. And it's now approaching Christmas. So happy holidays, everyone. To every one of you, all part in the world. I know it's been very challenging for all of that has been happening to our world. It's been shaking and all this and all that to our government. It's very chaotic. Let's pray and let us just trust our God up there. All right. So I also want to shout out. Right. It's Calix Gaming World's birthday. Hi.
Hi, it's my
Eh,
birthday today.
yeah, let's sing him a happy birthday to one of a very quick birthday song. Happy birthday
Birthday
to
to
you.
you.
Happy
Happy
birthday
birthday
to
to you.
you. Happy
Happy birthday.
birthday. Happy birthday.
Birthday.
Happy
Happy
birthday,
birthday to you.
Calix. Happy birthday, son. So this is my eldest. So he's 10 years old now. And please subscribe to his channel, Calix Gaming World and Calix Badger World. Anything you want to say?
Yeah, I just got that. I just recovered a toy from a toy that my uncle gave me a while ago. I'll go get it. I'll go get my toy.
Quick, quick, quick!
Over here.
It's a glow in the dark toy. It's a homemade robot. And he wants to show it all to you. It glows in the dark. It's a special handmade video given to him by his uncle Val. So it is very flexible. It can move. So he might going to put a vlog on this. So watch out on his channel. All right.
Yeah, I already
Bye bye.
I already recorded on my TikTok.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
All right, so today, guys, we are just gonna move a little. We're just gonna have some relaxing because it's my second day today. We're just gonna have some relaxing time, and of course, not to forget this part to my Morph fans. We're gonna use this. It's where you can roll. It's Rolga. It's by Rolga, right? It's a roller, or you can use your blocks, okay? Or what else that you can use? So anything that is round and rolling on the floor, right? You can use it. So this segment, I will of course use the time for my Morphsuit fans. So there you go. This is how powerful this is. I'm using right now the Boya wireless mic. So of course it's onto my also into my black channel. You can check it out there. Boya wireless mic. Boya. So we're gonna roll this. Okay, picture. Okay, good. And and again, picture. Okay, no. Okay, so there you go. Let's continue. So if you have your, I'm right now on my 2 years postpartum, and hopefully this will totally shed off, right? Then because that is our goal. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the subscribe button, and so that you'll be notified of my upcoming videos. So you're just gonna roll because today it's my second day menstruation, and this is gonna be nice to your back. I just really want to be relaxed. You just need to roll it in your back, right? So there you go. Roll it, and you just need to roll, and you can stay here as long as you can, or how many more. I sometimes using this for my neck, and just easy like that, right? You can just lean on it. One thing I like also about this is, of course, you can use it in all the parts of your body. You can roll it. So you can just like stay here. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. There. And you can rest, right? And of course, to your back. Oh, I forgot that we need to remove my god, that's why it's not rolling that much, because we need to remove this, right? And I forgot. My god. So you just need to roll it. So if it's your back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. Very, very nice. Very nice feeling. You can also check this out in Amazon. This is not paid or sponsored, right? And just like this is uh one of my winnings during my yoga competition, right? So it's very nice. It's Rolga. So it was sent to me because um, I won in a yoga competition. So there's a lot of things that I won there. And yeah, it's very nice. It's nice. And it's very durable, right? It's lightweight. It's not heavy. So parang ano lang siya. Parang sa papel. It's like paperweight. But it's very durable. It's made of a very special material na high. I forgot the name, but it's very nice and durable siya. And again, Rolga, Rollga. There. It has a mark there in the middle. So let's do sideways, right? You can also do sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. There. And you can do the other side as well. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So thank you so much guys for being with me and watching this video. Bye. Pause. Bye guys. Pause. Pause. Pause.